Hello and welcome. Today I am very happy for you all are here. This story video is made for people who wants to improve their English speaking skills. Once upon a time there was a poor boy named Rohit. He lived in a small village with his parents. His father was a farmer and his mother worked at home. They did not have much money, but they had big dreams. Rohit was a good boy. He wanted to study and become successful, but life was not easy for him. Every morning he woke up early, helped his father in the fields, and then walked 6 kilometers to school. Sometimes he felt very tired. Sometimes he had no proper books. Many students laughed at him because he wore old clothes. But Rohit did not stop. He believed one thing: one day my hard work will change my life. One day a big problem came. Rohit's father became sick. Now Rohit had to work more. He started working in the fields after school and even on weekends. He had very little time to study. At night, when everyone slept, Rohit studied under a small lamp. His eyes hurt, his body was tired, but his dream was strong. Days passed, months passed. The final exams came. Rohit was nervous, but he gave his best. He remembered all his struggles and wrote every answer carefully. After some weeks, the results were announced. Rohit stood first in his school. Everyone was surprised. The same boy who had no money and no comfort became the top student. His teachers were proud of him. His parents were very happy. Some people who laughed at him now praised him, but Rohit did not stop there. He got a scholarship and went to a big city for higher studies. Life in the city was also difficult, but Rohit was now stronger. He worked part time and studied hard. Years later, Rohit became a successful officer. He built a good house for his parents and helped many poor students like him. One day someone asked him, Rohit, what is your secret of your success? Rohit smiled and said, I never gave up, even when life was very hard. And last moral of this story is hard work, patience, and never giving up can make you successful. Thank you so much.